Abusuafo akwaba stronko enkoma obibia munuaba ekwesi kapa ne nso menemu edi ehia yi ganu wahala dwumedie na enede yede ebesomo ewo too much GHS so said the dane da ye no na enede yi sofo panyi bi ne buafu eye mampanyi din enam eye nyoma ekoso anase eye restrictions a ye mampanyi wode egu akwam odo se wa lift enyoma bi eso edie nanso so no wo mo ebo enyuso no de ne de wa babonti wa kan bosu nsem ede a kire ye mampanyi echese se emre so na ye COVID-19 e kopa dia se mampanyi nim no onim no o hye sofo bi sesei onye sei anase wonye sei pa de na bropa no de beyi no ede afri akonya no so na busuafo moma yimbonra eye ensem no emu eye Alabaster Prayer Ministry sofo panya woda ano eye Prophet Kofi Oduro nensem wode etu edwa and said don't ask pastors to pray for sick after COVID-19 is gone we ene eye nensem wode aba abonten na abusuafo se de moamu enim no COVID-19 ya aba chese dane da cases no kwa ena ekoso ade chi ade sebia na chese nipa no da ena wo mo edoso wo mo nya bie wo mo recover wo mo ewo ebia no ebi ebebeka ehwo achese ye hwe ni mu se yare yi etuo ebetimi etwa ewo memu na nsuso no ni nyina no ye hwe eye measure say mampanyi de agu akwam se ye nhye nose mask ye hohoro yensa with soap and running water use hand sanitizers and then keka wono ni nyina no wo bia edinani ato form a wo tese wo ye na what the ban eto and sorry schools social gatherings funerals and other activities chese na sorry mpodi ebi enko kra schools so na enya de say ebi ekosum ene wedding na abaye ne nipa be 25 and dem betimi aye so a private one 25 for some na no atwa mu 2 weeks ago ene odi betu eja ese and sorry no say obia ebetimi akọ nanso don hwere ba akopẹ ena wode ama asofo no se wo mu enyusu emfa endi wo mu edwuma ne se woni se wana no don hwere no se wontimi fa nya yi de ne na wa make decision wo hwe so na wo betimi so ane na wa eden wa yusu na wana no so no wo mu make sure say that measures na wode gu akwam no wo mu nyina so ebedi so ede amom na no ema sorry ni bia na asofo ni bi no ababonte so wo mo de asori anka said ya asori mpodie wo mu mbie adenti adon hwere ba akodie wo mu ede den because enso wo mu ba bia afina singers ewa beto enyum prayer tower for do wo mpai bo beba adansidie ne wo nkro ne ba no wo mu be wi ansa na ye bebo sofo mrane ama anasa enyum beje ne tata ama na ba bedru cramp no na chese don hwere no aso ede awie enti no ensori bi ti say daki word most more lighthouse ICGC ne wo mo mekeka ho ne de wo mo ede aba betu edwa se enya de se wo mu ebebiem na eno ena enede yim Alabaster Church of for Prophet Kofi Oduro so de aba betu edwa ese ye mampanyi ehhehye ye ode gu akongo hu ne se wamma ensori no hu kire wo mu asa oye ade bia wo the restrictions na ensori de no wamma na ye tawe wamma na ye denden ede amom wongumu emfa amom wamma na ye den ede amom nkonua we krampo de wo mu entimi enso ate se asofo ankonim senka nyame fie mum ene ye nya ogye nyame fie mum ene enya ayaresa nyame fie mum ene nkrofo ehu etimisa ne wo mo yetimi deliver nkrofo ma ahomboni ahye ebinom ma no etimi efri honum na mum se nyame fie we ya ye bekwakwakwasom enya sa woje no mum ene ede emratawe ejejire wo mo enti no wo mo mampanyi kokosem and sorry na say 1 hour no de amom ne de wo mu entimi emfa enye hwe na do no do betimi aka che mampanyia ene se won hwe ye na se COVID-19 yi ekwo na se wo bi yare ohaw bi bo obi so amane bi su bi bo obi so na ye oba bonti beka se ye mpesofo na won bo mpa ye ma se nipa no pa de nya de krompo se wo be omo be ye enti mampanyia ma ne mbo ne hu so mpo se COVID-19 ko be hwe obehwehwe so fobi e kira kwan se wo mo ememehwe ayarefo bi anase enkrofo bi na nsem odi tu edwa no eni emuman menkenkan emfa enkyeremo I don't know the exact reason why the government is making things strict for churches with this COVID-19, forgetting that the power of the Lord can cure any incurable diseases. The power of the Lord can cure diseases like HIV, diabetes, stroke, Ebola, and many deadly diseases. So why can't the government give church the chance to worship holy and heal COVID-19 patients? Now, the president of Ghana should not urge pastors to pray for the sick after this pandemic is over, since they have undermined the power of the Lord. We enen someone what they to a janachesem. Man penny, man one whom so be yare, Becca say uncle sophobia. Now I'm a sunny panny area, or my one pie many pan because COVID-19 embrayimuno, what to soon sorry mo, or be a woman sorry so one more and someone also a 1 hour don't shreba cope and or day among not as restrictions our dear goo or sono, sa and cuniano, a draw so a day a mano, on jai and sorry and my woman worship free. Said there one more and I sent Kayari be a honoman asem or one more ayare yet me a as a one more ayare because in young copono or say a man champion any yaresa and tin is a young coupon to me a saw be HIV area, diabetes area, a stroke or to me as a sunny area, Ebola crampono or be at me motona at then a young coupon want me mobile when ya a COVID-19 Antono, Nanso sono, Mampenny, I open a near Busano so ama yenyame na baba ba yeketwa e na yare no mum ababa yekese enti no se yare ne ko nyame ya adom na se yare ni free wo mayi mu na asie tukura na wo bia any COVID-19 na ye nti COVID-19 edin ebiem na so obi kokko yare yare ya obubo odin yi bi say ye diabetes o say ye hepatitis B o say ye den no obi bebe yare sa yare ni bi na mampanyi ka say an ye fa nipa no ana asofo me sore mbompa ye man say nipa no pan dia enya de say eye ensore na asofo no wo mo be na ono kura mpo no mani mbo ne humusuo say wo be baba be hwehwe sofo bi so nkonko mbompa ye because wo bunyame wo bunyame say wo sua e na wo ma yare aye kese dia e na wontena ho no mo sa na abuso man kenkan eye adwentwe no bi aye nuanom binom ede eba yem yenua eye Regina ede awade eba was say pastor you are right, what you are saying is really true. The government should make Christians worship holy or no so idea and was say aye dey mampani prophet Kofi Oduro kano no kwan so no I was say mampani makwan na a Christopher one more entimi ensom one more entimi ndu one more djuma said there one more edi no enkane because nyame wo tumi say wo betimi aye bibia yenua Christiana enso ede wode eba ye osem. Dear pastor, you know that all that you are saying is true, but this government will never listen to you. So please don't even waste your time talking to him because it is falling on a deaf ear. Or no so no. Or say prophet Kofi Oduro. Then someone will can dear a woman. That's one kind who say abanya etisui. Abanya chesa wo kasa chire na wonu tie or one more would tie one more asem the kasa de kwa yes wo kasa de gu will be an so enti asem asum or no so edia wode eba ye enon. Ye me have been so edia or de by ni din enkan was say you people were telling the government to open churches and now he has given you 1 hour to you are complaining. What else do you want? Oh please, you have done enough. Or no so idea and no say aden there be a more bumpire and a mampenny be and a mampenny be sorry and a be sorry say wa boam so e be 1 hour and so their mom so no so maka say mampenny onye muden biem or some munjai na mokra mudue bo dodo ye me have been so idea what they ever or say I don't even know what to say. My dear, please, you know very well that what you are saying is not going to yield any fruit. So please, just keep it to yourself. And also, so idea what they ever no. When they say I same way they say bet me there papa bia aba enti prophet Kofi Oduro. One can no entum because man penny won't hear and same way emu ebia. Yenya Judith and so Edward the Bible says. So do you mean after COVID-19, if a member of you is sick, you are not going to heal the person, then what God are you serving? Oh please, you can't even forgive. But God said we should forgive our brothers. And also so idea and no was a share enti wo pa kire se COVID-19 ekwa na se wa sori ba bi yare a enya de se wo besesa nipa no yare ana o jai na che se wo kra de Bible no kire no enye eno na wodi so Bible se yemfa oye yenkonfon so enche na wo de because o se ya ama wanya asori nti na ya hu ni se ya ma wunyame ayeketua na yare na yekese nti no se wo bi yare wa asori dem na wo nsasa nipa no yare de a ene na wo soso no hwan na wo nsua na wodi no achie we ene eye adwetwe bi a eba ye efa eye prophet Kofi Oduro ne nsem no ehu wo soso wo fi sen na wo soso hu ensem no esi efam de sofo yi kan eye ne kwan so a eno no ana se wo hu ne se eye because of eye don hwere ba kwan ye de amomo ntimi ndu omudwuma enya wo mo tight wo mo correction ene de keka ho na nunti na ema wo mo ekasa ensem no anam abusua se de wadwen echire bia no betimi de aba o tuma gh comment section ebia mo nso share video ifamo adofo no matiefo ene eye enafofo enyina na like your videos no enso follow your IG page at @tumagh_ na emrepam ne yede madwen twani nyina ebegu apono so de amam me amedi dwumede hu kya me midin ene akua sikapa dasene yebesane hia